Are you tired of dull, lifeless hair, or dealing with constant breakage? Achieving and maintaining healthy hair doesn't have to break the bank. Today, we're sharing the top 5 tips for healthy hair that are both practical and effective. These tips focus on protecting your hair, nourishing it, and ensuring it stays strong and shiny. Stick around as we break down these solutions step by step, so you can take your hair care routine to the next level. Kicking off our list at number 1, protect from sun. The sun might feel great on your skin, but its UV rays can wreak havoc on your hair. Prolonged sun exposure leads to dryness, fading color, and even structural damage. Protecting your hair from the sun isn't just for summer months, it's a year-round necessity. Key features: UV protectant hairsprays and leave-in conditioners with SPF are specifically formulated to shield your hair from harmful rays. Additionally, wearing hats or scarves acts as a physical barrier against sun damage. These methods are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Benefits and usage: protecting your hair from the sun helps maintain its natural moisture and prevents protein breakdown, which leads to brittle hair. Apply a UV protectant spray evenly before stepping outdoors or use a wide-brimmed hat for maximum coverage. For beach days or outdoor events, consider combining both methods for optimal results. Usability: these products are quick and easy to apply, taking just seconds before heading out. Moreover, they're suitable for all hair types, whether you've got straight, curly, or treated hair. Durability: while physical protection like hats lasts all day, UV sprays typically require reapplication every 4 hours when exposed to intense sunlight. Choose long-lasting products with water resistance for more durable protection during sweaty activities or swimming. In the second spot, we have Deep Condition Weekly. The secret to silky, manageable hair lies in deep conditioning. Weekly treatments can help restore moisture, repair damage, and improve elasticity, making your hair stronger and shinier over time. Key features: deep conditioners are enriched with nourishing ingredients like keratin, argan oil, and shea butter. They penetrate deep into the hair shaft, hydrating from within while sealing the cuticle to reduce frizz. Some even offer heat-activated formulas for better absorption. Benefits and usage: weekly deep conditioning repairs damage from heat styling, pollution, and other external stressors. Apply it to clean, damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. Leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. For an extra boost, wrap your hair in a warm towel to enhance absorption. Usability: whether you're a busy professional or have time to spare, deep conditioning fits seamlessly into any routine. It's a simple addition to your weekly wash day ritual and works wonders for all hair types. Durability: the benefits of deep conditioning are cumulative. With consistent use, you'll notice long-term improvements in your hair's texture and strength. Most high-quality deep conditioners deliver visible results after just one use, but regular application is key for lasting effects. Coming in at number 3 is the gentle brushing. Brushing might seem straightforward, but improper techniques can cause significant damage. Gentle brushing prevents breakage, reduces frizz, and promotes healthier hair overall. Key features: use brushes with soft bristles, like boar bristle or detangling brushes, designed to minimize tugging. Wide-tooth combs are also excellent for detangling wet hair without causing damage. Some brushes even have anti-static technology for a smoother finish. Benefits and usage: brushing distributes your scalp's natural oils evenly, adding shine and promoting healthy growth. Start at the ends and work your way up to prevent pulling. For wet hair, always use a wide-tooth comb or a specialized wet brush to avoid snapping strands. Usability: gentle brushing doesn't require special skills or extra time. Incorporating this habit into your daily routine ensures your hair stays smooth and manageable. Even a quick pre-styling session can make a big difference. Durability: high-quality brushes and combs are built to last. With proper care, like regular cleaning and avoiding exposure to excess heat, they'll serve you for years while protecting your hair's integrity. And finally, at number 5, we have eat nutrient-rich foods. your diet plays a crucial role in hair health. Nutrient-rich foods provide the building blocks for strong, shiny hair, making this one of the most impactful tips on this list. Key features: foods high in biotin, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins A, C, and E are essential for hair growth. Include eggs, fatty fish, nuts, leafy greens, and sweet potatoes in your diet to nourish your hair from the inside out. Benefits and usage: a balanced diet improves your hair structure and prevents issues like thinning or excessive shedding. These nutrients also promote a healthier scalp, which is the foundation for strong, vibrant hair. Incorporate these foods into your meals daily for consistent results. Usability: eating nutrient-rich foods is simple and integrates seamlessly into your lifestyle. Whether you're preparing meals at home or dining out, prioritizing wholesome options ensures your hair gets the nourishment it needs. Durability: unlike topical treatments, the benefits of a healthy diet are long-lasting and cumulative. Over time, you'll notice stronger, thicker, and shinier hair that reflects your overall well-being. Healthy hair is within reach when you adopt the right habits. By protecting your hair from the sun, deep conditioning weekly, brushing gently, limiting chemical treatments, and eating nutrient-rich foods, you'll unlock its full potential. These tips are easy to follow and deliver noticeable results over time. Start incorporating them into your routine today for hair that looks and feels amazing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life.